Welcome back, viewers, to another opening of Dark Ascension. Let's get right on the pack openings. Burden of Guilt, Death Caress, Near-Hearth Stalker, Gruesome Discovery, Thought Scour, Griptide, Rack the Madness, Saving Grasp, Undying Evil, Relentless Scabs, Avacyn's Collar, Wolf, Predator Ooze, Commercial card, and a Plains, Ravenous Demon, a rare, nice, Archdemon of Greed. Okay, next pack. Hunger of the Howlpack, Rust Wolves, Black Cat, Shriekgeist, Burden of Guilt, Rack the Madness, Saving Grasp, Undying Evil, Scorch the Fields, Prior Heart Wolf, Warden of the Wall, Wake Dancer. Increasing Vengeance, a rare. Human token, a flip counter thing, and a uncommon Lamholt Elder. Serpent Werewolf. Okay, last pack for the night. Shriekgeist, Silverclaw Griffin, Hollowhenge Beast, Spitfall Shadows, Erdwall Ripper, Fling, Sightless Ghoul, Elvenwald Bear, Elgald Inquisitor, Markov Warlord, Niblis of the Breach, Immerwolf, and a rare Flare of the Hatebound. Commercial card, token card, Loyal Cathar, flips for Unhallowed Cathar. Nice. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I will see you guys next time.